I've got my beauty box. This is a sneak peek inside Lancome's 2023 Holiday Beauty Box. You guys, I can't wait to share. Now, we have all of this, and I'm going to take out one by one and share with you what is in this year's beauty box. As always, we have our 1 ounce Genifique Serum Pop Top Dispenser. You guys, I've done videos on this if you want to check my YouTube channel. But there always usually is a Genifique in Lancome's beauty box. Also, we have the travel size Lancome Genifique eye cream. And there's also a video on my YouTube channel that will show you how to apply the serum and the eye cream in combination together. It is like youth in a bottle. We call it the mini facelift. And this is something you guys may not know about this year's beauty box. They hardly ever put in an absolute product, which is Lancome's premium skincare line, in the beauty box. This year, ladies, we've got the 1 ounce soft cream. It is so luscious and so beautiful. And actually this year with the fall gift with purchase, if you guys have not seen that video that I made last week, check it out, because it actually does go into a lot of the things about the fall gift with purchase, and there's also an absolute product in that as well. We also have a Bifacil. It is an eye makeup remover and cleanser, and this is not the itty bitty bottle, but it's like a mid-size, not quite a full size, but you get quite a bit. And we also have the Tonique Comfort, which this is for dry or sensitive skin. Like I explained last week, the Tonique Douchier is actually for all skin types, but the Comfort is for dry and sensitive skin. Just remember, pink is for sensitive skin. And this year's, we have a full-size Absolute Rouge Cream lipstick, and it is in shade 391 Electric Orchid. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And also the lipstick that was in the gift with purchase is a wow as well. You guys, they really stepped it up on the lipstick game, and not just your average nude this year. And also, we do have a full-size Seals Booster Mascara Primer. If you do not know what a mascara primer is, it's actually white, but it does enhance your lashes. If you have problem with growing lashes or really thin lashes, the Seals Booster, and combined with any mascara, but of course any Lancome mascara is best. And also we have a full-size Idole mascara in the beauty box this year. Now, my personal favorite is the Mr. Big, or the Monsieur Big, because it's like the falsies look without any falsies, and it's just amazing. I will forever sing the praises of Mr. Big mascara. And also, the eye palette this year, you guys have got to see this. Usually we have an eye and blush palette that slides out underneath. Look at this. It is totally gorgeous. It's got the magnet close, the easy mirror to take along with you. They have stepped up their eye palette game as well. And you've got 5 base shades, 5 like contour and highlight shades, and then 1 blush. You can see the colors. They are absolutely amazing. And it's got the neat little easy magnet close, so you can carry it with you wherever you go. And last but not least, it's our travel size La Vie Belle. Look at this cute little bottle. It's almost worth saving just for the bottle. But you guys, the beauty box is the absolute same as it was last year, which was kind of disappointing for me. But you are getting almost $600 worth of products for $121, because by the time you spend the $42 purchase and the beauty box itself is $79, you're spending $121, but you're getting almost $600 worth of products. Now, like I said, in videos prior, the Lancome beauty box is a purchase with purchase. That means you have to purchase the beauty box after you purchase a product. Gifts with purchase are different. You buy one gift, you get the purchase. But you are getting so much more for your money. I teach you guys in all my videos on YouTube. Check out the How to Get Free Makeup Masterclass. It will teach you how to take advantage of all the free gifts, of all the cosmetics counters, and turn them into free makeup and skincare all year. So check that out. Kim's Beauty Biz YouTube channel. I'm also on Instagram and Facebook. You guys, much love.